How to clear cache on Windows 11. Very easy process. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is you want to go to your systems in the settings. And once you go there, you want to go to system. Then you want to go into your storage and see what's going on there. So you can see it's going to start showing you the temporary files and everything that you need to look at. And you do want to go to the temporary files and clear that out. So you want to remove everything here, temporary, pretty much remove everything that's in here, even the recycle bin stuff too. If it's not important to you, I would delete everything that's there. So remove files, hit continue, and it should be done with that part. But you also want to do the disk cleanup as well. So it's a pretty simple thing to do. You want to go to your search here, and so all you really have to type in here is your try to find it's the disk cleanup. So you want to go in disk cleanup. So it's going to tell you which drive to use. If you use a C, obviously it's going to be in the C drive because that's where all your operating system information is and all those data is at. So you want to hit OK, and then right over here you want to clear everything. I would pretty much clear everything in here, select everything that's in here. I mean, really, it's just to clear everything out, just to delete anything that you don't need, any temporary stuff that will help you with that. So hit OK, and then clear up the system files right over here. So it's going to ask you to put in a password or a PIN. In this case, I'm just going to put my PIN. Hit OK, and it's going to start deleting the stuff. That'll clear up your cache. Pretty easy process, as you can see. You want to hit OK. If you want, you can also restart. You know, it really is up to you, but that's pretty much all you really have to do. Hope this video helped. If you have any questions, suggestions you'd like, definitely feel free to ask. Subscribe to this channel. Make sure to share this video with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video.